How to make Snapchat private. To make your Snapchat account private, you need to first open up your Snapchat application. And once you open the app, you will need to tap on your profile on the top left corner. Then, you will get to see this page over here, where you can customize every details. Then, we need to tap on Settings on the top right. After that, it will lead you to this page. Now, you need to scroll down and find the option Privacy Controls. Then tap here and enable the option Ghost Mode so that your location isn't exposed. Then, you need to go to this option View My Story and limit the audience to My Friends. Once you're done, go back. Now tap on this option Contact Me. Here, you can select the option Friends so that anyone from the public cannot text you or send you any snaps. Now go back and select See Me and Find Friends. From here, you can disable this option to stay hidden. So, by making these changes, you can easily make your Snapchat private.